good girl? Yeah, you're a good girl.
Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name's Lark, and today I'm going to be doing a look on how to convince people you have it together when you have 4 minutes until your next Zoom meeting. So here's a little makeup tutorial that I'm going to try to do in 4 minutes or less, or maybe a little more. I don't know, we'll see. I already washed my face and my hands, and I'm going to go in with a little additional moisturizer that I'm going to mix in with my foundation. So this is a new foundation for me. It's the Anastasia Beverly Hills foundation, and I'm using my face moisturizer image that I'm going to mix together. So I'm going to do 1 pump of each into my fingies. Boop. I'm creating a little bit of like a tinted moisturizer. That smells good. All right, so we have a light, very light amount of coverage. I'm gonna go in with a little more coverage using the Makeup Revolution concealer. And I'm going to put that on my eyes to even out my skin tone under my eyes. And just in some areas that need a little extra coverage. And I'm gonna use my damp beauty blender to apply that. I'm gonna go in with just a little bit of powder to set that in place. So taking my damp beauty blender, going into the Mercier translucent powder, and I'm going to apply that top and bottom of my eye. And what's left over, I'll put on my nose, my forehead. Then I'll go in with a little bit of bronzer just to give a little bit of life back into my cheeks. I'm using the Butter Bronzer from Physicians Formula. From the top of the ear down towards the mouth, stopping about halfway. Are you awake? Good girl. All right, after that, I'm gonna use a little bit of blush. I'm gonna use the e.l.f. blush in the shade Tickled Pink. All right, going on to the eyes. I'm not gonna do any eyeshadow today. I'm just gonna do a little bit of eyeliner, curl my lashes, and mascara. So I'm gonna be using the Urban Decay Waterline pencil in the shade Legend, which is just a black. And what I'm gonna do is tightline my waterline on the top of my eyes. So you have this space in between your lashes and your eye. So I'm gonna fill that in. I'm gonna gently like lift this up. And you can take that as far over as you want. All right, so now it just looks like my lashes are a little bit fuller and have a little bit more, I have a little bit more shape to my eye. I'm gonna go in and curl my lashes. Curling your lashes is gonna give your eyes a little bit of a lifted effect. Also, it's gonna make your lashes look longer and fuller. A little mascara. And I want to make sure I'm bringing my mascara to meet that line that we made, so there's no space in between. That was the Urban Decay Perversion mascara, which is one of my faves. Then I'm gonna go in for my brows. I'm just gonna use a little bit of Tinted Brow Gel by Anastasia of Beverly Hills in the shade Caramel. So I like to use brow gel. I deposit the color by lifting up. Once the color's in there, I'll bring it up and over so that my brows don't stay completely upright, but they're nice and filled in. I'm still working on growing that one out. After that, I'll put on just a little bit of lower lash mascara. I'm using the Rimmel Lash Accelerator mascara, which has a great wand for the lower lashes. And last, I'm gonna add just a little bit of lip color. I love these liquid lipsticks from the Balm Cosmetics. This is the shade Committed. And it's a really nice neutral with a pinkish, like a light pinkish brown undertone. Once that dries, I'll go in with just a little bit of gloss. This liquid lipstick isn't super drying, but I like the look of a little bit of a glossier lip, so I'm going to use Buxom lip gloss in the shade Blushing Margarita. All right, that completes this makeup look. Thank you so much for taking the time to hang out with me and watch. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you to Amanda and Mariah for giving me the suggestion of doing a quick and easy makeup look when you have a Zoom meeting coming up. I hope to see you soon. Please leave a comment below if you have an idea for another look for me to do, or if you have any questions on anything I've done. I will list all the products I used down below me. And as always, oh, I sound like Dr. Mike. Stay happy and healthy. Good girl, Penny. Boop. Do you want your lamb chop? Bye.